Hello and welcome to my channel, Wings of Wonder. Today we're going on an exciting trip through jungles, islands, and forests to meet some of the most colorful parrots in the world. These birds aren't just pretty, they each have their own little superpower. With their rainbow feathers, funny shapes, bright colors, and voices that can surprise you. Parrots are like nature's entertainers. Let's go meet them. Beautiful parrots you should know. Hyacinth macaw. This is the largest parrot species on Earth, found in South America. Their deep cobalt blue feathers shine in the sunlight. Highlighted by golden eye rings and a powerful curved beak. Known for their loving nature and lifelong pair bonds, they are breathtaking in flight above the pantanal skies. Scarlet macaw. These parrots have the iconic classic parrot look and are native to Central and South American rainforests. Scarlet macaw, nearly 3 feet long, dazzles with a long tail, powerful wings and feathers painted in red, yellow, and blue that glow even in the darkest forests. Its echoing calls ring through the jungle canopy, as if the forest itself is speaking. When two take flight, their rainbow colors sparkle across the sky. These social, intelligent parrots are cloaked in red, yellow, and blue. They usually stay with one partner for life and share a very strong bond with their mate. They eat fruits, flowers, and even very hard nuts with their strong beaks. Sometimes they go to the river to eat clay, which helps their tummies feel better. They love to play, climb, and chew. They eat fruits, flowers, and even very hard nuts with their strong beaks. They can live 40 to 50 years, and some live even longer in captivity. Blue and gold macaw. The blue and gold macaw is one of the most colorful parrots in the world. Its upper parts, back and wings, are a bright blue, while its chest and belly are a golden yellow. This mix of colors makes it stand out wherever it goes. They are found in South America and live mainly in countries like Brazil, Venezuela, Peru, and Bolivia. These macaws are quite large, growing up to 3 feet, about 90 centimeters long, including their long, graceful tails. They eat nuts, seeds, fruits, and berries. Using their strong black beaks to crack even the hardest shells. Can live up to 50 years and often stay in pairs, small groups, or big flocks for safety. These parrots are very loud, using calls and squawks to talk with their flock and warn of danger. Rainbow lorikeet. They are found in Australia. This parrot looks like a flying rainbow, with a blue head, green wings, an orange chest, and splashes of yellow and red. These parrots are very active, often seen flying between trees, feeding on nectar, and making cheerful noises. Their colors light up everything. Sun conure, sun parakeet. They found in South America. They have brilliant orange, yellow, and green feathers like a living sunset. These parrots are small but curious, affectionate, and full of energy. They live in flocks, are loud, playful, and absolutely beautiful. They are very popular among bird lovers. Dracula parrot. They live in New Guinea. These look dramatic. They covered mostly in black feathers, with bold red patches on the wings, belly, and body. It also has a bare face, no feathers there, which makes it very unique and striking. It feels like a bird from a fantasy story. This parrot mostly eats figs and helps the forest stay healthy. Its strange look makes it stand out, showing that nature's beauty comes in many forms, even dark and mysterious ones. Red and blue lory. They are found in Indonesia. They shine in deep red and bright blue. They are small but fiery. These lories climb, call loudly, and sip nectar, making them impossible to miss in the forest. Their wings and feathers shine, especially in sunlight. They are less well known than macaws, but when seen, they take your breath away. Parrots amaze us with dazzling colors, unique shapes, and rare beauty that feels almost magical. Their voices, flights, and playful behavior bring the forest alive. But many face danger. Their rainforest homes are being destroyed, and some are taken for the pet trade. Protecting them means protecting nature's beauty for the future. Thank you for flying along with Winds of Wonder. If you like this video, let me know in the comments. Which parrot amazed you most? Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and share this with friends who also love nature's beauty. Until next time, let the winds of wonder always carry you to beautiful places.